Hey guys, Travis here from Travis.media. I just did a video on how to set up your local WordPress environment with MAMP. Now I'm going to do one on how to set it up with Local by Flywheel, which is easier. Not that MAMP was hard, but Local by Flywheel makes it very easy to do this. So the first thing you want to do is download Local by Flywheel. So you just want to go to your search engine and just type that in, and it should be the first result. So click here, local.getflywheel.com, click on free download. It's like 150 megabytes. It downloads it onto your computer. It is not in the cloud. So do that first. Next, you want to open up the program. So I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to use my Spotlight, which is Command Space, and just type in Local by Flywheel. You can also go to the Applications folder and open it there. So when you first open it up, it says starting local machine. It's just got to configure a few things. And this is my first time using it because I just reinstalled it. I did a fresh reinstall of my MacBook, and this will be my first time. So you should see the same thing. Actually, it does a configuration. I've done the configuration for it. When you first start it up, it runs a series of things to configure it with your computer. I just did that, but I haven't actually set up any sites on it yet. All right, so you get to the screen here. It says, looks like you haven't created any sites yet. So click Create a New Site. What is your site's name? I'm going to say Test Site. And hit Continue. Choose your environment. I just want to click Preferred. I want a newer version of PHP. I don't want an old one. All of this stuff is great. Just leave it on Preferred. Continue. WordPress username is just going to be my full name. Just put in your full name. WordPress password, I'm just going to punch in something and click Add Site. Set WordPress admin credentials as default. Now my computer's like, is that okay? So make sure to tell it it's okay. Currently don't have a default admin username and password. Would you like to save it? Sure. Let's save what I just put in as the default. And here's what's going to happen. So I went through that, and you see this little thing spinning. It's actually setting up your site, your database, and installing WordPress for you. So on MAMP, we had to name the database, create the database, and then we had to download WordPress, put it in the folder so it would install it. Local by Flywheel, it does it all for you, which is great. So right now it's setting it all up. My next step will just be to open the site. And see, it actually tells you down here, downloading WordPress. So you don't have to go download it and then put it in the folder. It actually downloads it for you. Extracting downloaded WordPress. I see down here. Adding WordPress. Installing WordPress. That's it. Look at that. So, Local by Flywheel saves your sites in a folder called Local Sites. If you click this arrow, it will take you to it. It is actually right in the same area as your applications and downloads and documents. You'll see Local Sites. So you see my site, Test Site. You can go to App and Public, and there's your WordPress files. If you want to go to WP Content and Themes, like if you want to add in Genesis Framework or you have another theme you want to put in, just drag it into there. And then go to your site, and you can go View Site, see what it looks like first, and it's going to have just the 2017 default WordPress theme. So there's my site right there, already built. I can get my database info. I can connect to see my database. Here's my database options. Database is called Local. All right. Database name, all that stuff. SSL, there's no SSL. So site setup, I see all of, anyway, that's all your info. Your site name, your site domain. If you want to change it, you can do that there. So if I go to admin and type in what I had set up, I think they put my full name in there. And so there's my site. That's all it is to it. Local by Flywheel does it all for you. Just got to download it, name your site, give them your password, and hit the button, and it installs a fresh WordPress local environment for you. Now, if you're interested in copying a production site into your local environment, or making a copy of your own site into your local environment, then I have a video on that. Just do a search. It's like 2 before this one. And anyway, if you like this, subscribe. I'm uploading a lot of videos. I have a lot set to upload, so look for those, and check out my site at travis.media. I blog regularly about WordPress, web development, freelancing, and life, conquering life in general. So travis.media, subscribe. Have a good day.